I like to joke and say that my plants are my coworkers.
Do they talk back?
No, and that's the lovely part about it.
Hi, my name is Danae Brummer. I'm a private chef and I'm a garden manager.
Hi, my name's Dana Weaver. I understand I'm here today to learn all about Danae's job as an urban gardener.
This is going to be fun to see if she knows what I do for a living.
I probably don't.
All right, can you tell me what I do for a living? Like, what would be my job description?
Oh gosh, you are an urban gardener who grows your own fruits and vegetables for your own recipes and the recipes that you make for everybody else.
Kind of close, but not all the way. Like, you have like little pieces of it. Okay. I'm a private chef, and then I'm a gardener at a teaching farm at a cancer facility.
So does that mean you teach people how to garden?
I do. I teach people how to grow food and how to cook food. How do you think teaching gardening can help cancer patients?
I think it could teach them that they can grow about anything, which hopefully will include themselves.
Yeah, that's close. Well, the thought is that food is medicine. And so at the City of Hope, they have a teaching garden that I curate the fruits and vegetables, and I do the programming for the garden, meaning I schedule the classes, I bring in the speakers, and I also teach as well. I show people how to garden at home or in their apartment. And also how to cook their food and how to savor the season through canning or making jams or sauces.
Okay, that's so much more than I thought.
Let's keep it moving. So how do you imagine my office space, and where do you think I spend most of my day?
I would guess that you kind of have 3 office spaces from what I've learned so far. You have your desk.
Yes.
And then you have your professional kitchen. I think you called it something else.
A commercial kitchen.
Oh, a commercial kitchen. And you've got the garden.
You're spot on.
In reality, your garden is your workspace.
That is right.
Okay.
I like to joke and say that my plants are my coworkers.
Do they talk back?
No, and that's the lovely part about it. No one gets on my nerve. Only the rodents that attack my harvest. All right, so what do you have for me?
Oh gosh, I don't know. Let's see what I've got for you. Do you like your job? Are you happy?
Oh my God, I love my job.
Why?
I get to start my day at 4 a.m. in a kitchen and end it playing in the dirt. I mean, check me out. I have overalls. I'm also reminded every day that life is a gift. Mm-hmm. I love my job. I love that it's centered around every aspect of food, growing it and cooking it.
Okay.
All right, darling, what do you think this is?
It looks like you put it in the ground and turn it, and it turns up the soil. I don't know, because it kind of looks like it would destroy the vegetables.
Soil is the magic for vegetables, right? I have to go in, lift up existing soil, and add amendments in. And this is the tool that I use to break up the ground, to mix it all together. There's a long, I want to say about 5-foot pole that's attached to it. And so it goes like this in the ground.
Oh, okay. And you do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
at the other end of the pole,
okay.
Not down here.
Okay.
If you're looking for a new job and you don't have the Indeed mobile app, you're seriously missing out. Click the link below or search Indeed in the App Store.
What are the best and worst parts about your job?
The best part of my job is seeing people do things that they never thought they could do or experience things that they've never experienced. Like the joy that sparks in someone's eyes when they have a strawberry, like right off the vine. It's like pure magic.
That they grew.
Or
they were part of the growth.
just tried because they've never had anything straight off the vine.
What's the part you would get rid of?
Probably the bureaucracy that has to happen.
The politics?
My boss does all the heavy lifting that I don't have to do. But occasionally if I'm pulled into it, that's the part that I don't like. I don't like us having to justify why a garden is important or, lobby for funding. So when people ask what I do, what are you going to say?
I'm going to say Danae is an urban gardener who works at the City of Hope with their community garden to help the patients there as well as the community. And she takes those skills of healthy eating and eating for life and transforms them into her personal chef business.
Oh my God, you're now like my mascot and ambassador. I love it.
Okay, do I get paid?
Yeah. Hi, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Oh, wait.
I know, right? Okay.